It's been nearly 2 years since DJI launched the Mini 4 Pro, and now, all signs point to the next evolution in the Mini series. If you've been waiting for a drone that packs pro-level features into a travel-friendly frame, you might want to wait just a little longer. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has started surfacing in leaks, and from what we're seeing, it's shaping up to be a major upgrade to DJI's already popular Mini series. With a confirmed release window, leaked images, and some pretty bold spec rumors, there's a lot to talk about, so let's dive in. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, two well-known sources have pinned the DJI Mini 5 Pro release for September 2025. The rumor originally came from Jasper Ellens of Drone XL, who has a strong history of accurate DJI leaks. Then, it was backed by Haka Sushi, a respected leaker on X, who said, "I have received reliable info that is indeed scheduled for September." With both voices aligning, the September launch is looking more and more likely, and that would mark 2 years since the Mini 4 Pro, right in line with DJI's usual refresh pattern. Recent leaked images of what appears to be the DJI Mini 5 Pro in testing show a sleeker, slightly larger design. One of the first things you'll notice? Propeller guards. Now, these could just be part of a test setup, but there's speculation DJI might include them by default, like they did with the DJI Avatar, for added safety. The motors also look bulkier than those on the Mini 4 Pro, suggesting more power and better wind resistance. But with all these physical changes, the big question is, can it still stay under 249 grams? The magic number for many drone pilots is 249 grams. Stay under that, and in many countries, including the US, you don't need FAA registration for recreational use. DJI has always managed to hit that target, but with larger motors, new sensors, and potentially a bigger battery, they're cutting it close. If DJI goes slightly over, it might alienate the Mini crowd. But if they pull off all these upgrades and keep it under 250 grams, it'll be a design marvel. This could be the most exciting part, a 1-inch camera sensor. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 1x1.3-inch sensor, this would be a serious upgrade. We're talking better low-light performance, sharper images, and more dynamic range. For creators, vloggers, and travelers who rely on compact gear, this could be a massive step forward. In some leaked images, the camera even appears larger than previous prototypes, hinting that DJI might be refining it further as we speak. Another big leap, if true, would be the addition of LiDAR sensors. Sharp-eyed fans noticed extra eyes on the drone's leaked body shots, possibly signaling that LiDAR is being added for more precise obstacle avoidance. That would be a first for the Mini line and could drastically improve flight safety and tracking accuracy, especially in tight spaces or complex environments. Rumors suggest a 50-minute flight time, which would be a huge upgrade from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. Combine that with a 25-kilometer range, and you're looking at a drone that's not just small and smart, but also durable enough for long sessions and serious content capture. For a drone that fits in a small bag, those are flagship-level numbers. So what do we really have here? A mini drone with a potentially 1-inch sensor, LiDAR, 50-minute flight time, and maybe even a complete redesign. It's ambitious. It's risky. And if DJI pulls it off while keeping the weight under 250 grams, it might just be their most impressive Mini yet. What do you think? Are you hyped for the Mini 5 Pro? What feature matters most to you? Camera, flight time, safety, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and as always, stay tuned.